What if the world's greatest climate heroes don't wear capes, but roots? Meet the mangroves, nature's hidden defenders. Stronger storms, rising seas, but some heroes stand their ground. This is why mangroves are climate change superheroes. The world's coastlines are places of immense beauty. They are where the land greets the sea, a delicate dance that has unfolded for millions of years. But today, that dance has become a battle. Great storms lash the shores, fueled by a warming climate. Waves, like colossal hammers, strike the land again and again, tearing away at the very ground beneath our feet. We see it in the news reports, in the dramatic footage of homes teetering on the edge of crumbling cliffs, their foundations washed away by the relentless, churning water. This is the front line of our planet's struggle. For the countless communities that call these coastal regions home, this is not a distant problem. It is a daily, terrifying reality. Generations of families who have lived by the sea, who have drawn their livelihoods from its bounty, now watch as their world disappears. The land that held their homes, their schools, their memories is being swallowed by the rising tides. The erosion is not a slow, gentle process. It is a thief in the night, stealing precious meters of coastline with every storm surge. Mangroves are climate superheroes. They protect coastlines, calming waves, preventing erosion, a living shield that has protected the coast for millennia. This natural process is more effective than many man-made sea walls. As water slows, sand, silt and mud settle, mangroves capture it, building land. They don't just protect the coast, they build it. Their roots act as a natural filter, keeping coastal waters clean. They are the nurseries of the sea, providing a safe and sheltered habitat for young fish, crabs and shrimp. Within the protective maze of their roots, these tiny creatures can grow, safe from predators. The health of our fisheries is directly linked to the health of these coastal forests. Their presence ensures the health of the entire coastal zone. To lose the mangroves is to risk losing the very source of life for so many marine animals. Like all trees, they breathe in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Through photosynthesis, they convert carbon into biomass. Leaves, branches, roots, locking it away. But mangroves are exceptional not just for visible carbon. They bury enormous amounts in the soil beneath, the blue carbon miracle. Mangrove soil is oxygen poor. Organic matter falls into waterlogged sediment and decomposes incredibly slowly. Carbon becomes trapped and buried in sediment, over centuries and millennia, sequestering vast amounts of carbon. They store up to 4 times more carbon than rainforests per area, and up to 10 times more than many terrestrial forests. They are one of the planet's most efficient carbon sinks. When forests are cut or destroyed, ancient buried carbon is exposed to air. Decomposition flips fast, and centuries of stored carbon are released as CO2. It's a double tragedy. We lose future carbon capture and unleash a colossal carbon bomb from the past. Understanding the blue carbon miracle elevates mangroves beyond coastal protection to crucial climate regulators. Protecting mangroves is a global priority. Every hectare we protect or restore is an investment in a stable, secure future for humanity. A quiet, tireless engine of carbon capture that asks for nothing more than the space to grow. We have journeyed to the vibrant edge of our world and seen the quiet heroism of the mangrove forests. They defend our coastlines, build new land, and shelter life. Their ability to capture and store immense amounts of carbon helps heal our planet's atmosphere. But these superheroes need us. Protecting mangroves means protecting our homes, our food, and our future. Support conservation, join local projects, or simply spread the word, because every root counts.